We talk a lot about luxury in India, but we rarely talk about what it actually takes to build it. Not the money, but the willingness and the belief. So today on Voices of India, we have Abhishek Mishra. He is the founder of Ra Luxury, a homegrown Indian perfume brand that most of us avoid to do in this space. He is offering premium quality, thoughtful design, and long lasting fragrances at the price that doesn't force you to choose between quality and accessibility. This is not a brand feature, it's a conversation about the mindset behind the brand. So, welcome to Voices of India, the human code of Indian businesses. Let's welcome Abhishek. Hi, Abhishek. How are you?
Hi Devisha, I'm good. How about you?
All good. So, Abhishek, before we start into our overall conversation, can
Hmm.
we'll start with a very simple thing. Can you show us your products?
Sure. So this is our bestseller. The perfume
Okay.
name is Breeze. This is how our packaging is. It's made up of kappa board, premium quality kappa board,
Mm-hmm.
and it is a magnetic flap box. If we open it like this, it's with a
Mm-hmm.
foam for perfume stability and protection. And if you see, the perfume already has a gold plated label, metallic label for its luxury finish and premiumness. So
Mm-hmm.
this is our already famous brand, sorry, famous SKU Breeze. And the best part about Breeze is that it is not a duplicate or a inspiration for of any famous perfume. This is our
Okay.
own recreation. So
Wow.
that's the reason I think why people have been giving us a lot of love for this brand. So
Wow.
it's a nice classic woody and a spicy perfume, and even women love it. Though it's a men perfume, even women love it. So this is our best seller.
Wow. So I guess actually all your perfumes, I mean, either men or female ones, are amazing. I have all the
Thank you,
collection with me,
thank you,
and that this particular brand, your brand, is one of our favorite, my and my son's favorite brand.
thank you.
So Abhishek, tell us that luxury in India often feels very expensive and out of reach.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
what made you think about this, and you started something out of the box with Ra Luxury?
yeah. So our brand's vision is affordable luxury with
Hmm.
premium fragrances and premium quality. So like just you saw on the video that we are not just focused on building a bottle which should look premium.
Hmm.
We look after three aspects. One, the fragrance should smell premium. It should not smell cheap. So
Right.
we make sure that the blending has been, given enough quality and time. Second, we go
Okay.
on to bottle quality and the packaging related to the bottle, like you saw, the golden metallic plate. So if you look at the price range we are providing the product, no one's providing this metallic label in this price
Agree.
category. Usually you will find these kind of labels for under perfume worth 3,000, 4,000 or above.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
third thing is the packaging. So again, so our vision is affordable luxury without compromising on the fragrances quality, and it should not just look premium, but it should also smell premium. And that's how I came up with Ra Luxury.
Wow. And perfume is very crowded space, आजकल
Yeah,
बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है ना perfume making and
right,
personalized perfumes and you जहाँ
right,
पे अपने
right,
खुद की fragrance बना सकते हो. What made you
right.
still believe कि नहीं भाई there is a room for you?
Actually, crowd है. You're right, completely right. Crowd बहुत
Hmm.
है, but there's still a lot of India who is not, who who still thinks कि perfume is not a daily thing. So there's a lot
Ah,
of room for, a lot of room, a lot of audience yet to cover. जिनको आज भी
okay.
लगता है कि शायद कोई स्पेशल ओकेजन जाएंगे तो परफ्यूम लगाना चाहिए, नॉट एज अ डेली प्रोडक्ट लाइक यू यूज,
Hmm.
जस्ट लाइक
Hmm.
अ फेस वॉश or any other skin care product which we use in our day-to-day lives. So
Hmm.
if and I believe India is now leading towards a better quality of lifestyle which they want to live. They are getting into better disposable income category now.
Hmm.
आज
Right.
हर इंसान को कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा चाहिए, नॉट जस्ट आउट ऑफ परफ्यूम बट हर इंसान को कुछ चाहिए. सो
True.
if people have started applying sunscreen, if you can see, but ये चीज 5-6 साल पहले यूज टू बी लाइक कि ठीक है खाली लड़कियां ही लगाती है कभी बाहर
Hmm.
जाने के लिए, बट नाउ इट इज अ बेसिक रूटीन इवन फॉर मेन. So likewise,
Correct.
it for perfume, this trend is changing, and that's the reason. Definitely, it is a very crowded space, but a lot of India's part is yet to be, discovered for perfumes. They are just applying
Hmm.
deodorant, and we need to upgrade, and that trend is there. So there's a lot of room to grow.
Wow. So that's a very interesting point that you shared because
Thank you.
it's always said, you smell good, you feel good. तो वो
Right.
अभी inculcate होना बाकी है काफी सारे segments में.
जी
So
जी.
and many people start with a lot of passion, but very few stay consistent. So how have you maintained this consistency here?
There's two, I'll be very honest, there's just two factors. One, the goal of our brand is that India should smell good. I'm not saying
Hmm.
कि every Indian should only use raw luxury. आपको
Hmm.
हमारे competitive brand आपके बजट अनुसार अच्छे लगते हैं, we have no issues with that. Go ahead with that. We do not say कि आप उसको छोड़ के हमें use करो. Our goal is कि जो नहीं करते हैं, you just try raw luxury once and I'll make it, and I have this confidence you won't go back. So that's one, that I want India to smell good, all over
Hmm.
India to smell good. And second is money, of course. I want to earn, I want to build something of my own. I want to be
Hmm.
a reason 2 to 3 years down the line that there are people having livelihoods due to my business.
Wow.
So, in simple words, I can say generating employment in India. So these
Wow.
are two reasons why, well, which keeps me consistent to keep going ahead and ahead.
वाह! मतलब दोनों जगह पे ना इतना कोर पकड़ा हुआ है तुमने. एक बार जो
Yes.
India should smell good, and of course employment definitely yes, because
Yeah.
seeing the conditions right now, people are more focused to buying Indian products and supporting Indian entrepreneurs. So that's
Yes.
a
Completely
great thing.
agree.
And I think when it comes to perfume, Ittar is also one of the thing which was very much
Yes.
famous
Yes.
during old times.
Yes.
आजकल उसका
Yes.
use थोड़ा कम हो गया है, but smelling good has
Yes.
been something a part of our culture.
Yes.
So what keeps you going when things are really slow or there is something uncertainty? When did you started this? Let me ask you first that.
So if we start, like, I started building the foundation of this brand since a year back. I started from
Okay.
April 2025, and I started
Hmm.
my sales from July. So
Okay.
if we look, as per sales, it has been 9 months. But if
Wow.
we look, when we started from scratch, it has been a year now. And
Hmm.
one reason why I keep going is I love challenges. I literally so there are usually, when it comes to work, any kind of work, it can be corporate job, it can be any art work or any field. Usually there are two types of people. One who usually do not prefer change, who want to do the monotonous work or
Hmm.
keep going in a flow. And one
Right.
category is people who love challenge. They usually get bored by a monotonous work. It's like अरे यार बहुत हो गया ये चीज कुछ और भी करते हैं. So I
Hmm.
usually love challenges, and when it goes slow, that's when it gets challenging. Usually people get slow when they face challenges because they're
Hmm.
not able to get out of the challenge or face that challenge, and the current part is going very slow. So one of the thing is that I get a kick. I usually get a very huge kick when I have challenges, and I love to beat my challenges to get better and better. That's one. And again, second reason is I want to, when I look at milestones to be achieved,
Hmm.
so I want to create at least 15 to 18 employment in the next 3 years, at least, I'm
Wow.
saying. So these are two reasons which, it's like it won't let me sleep. कि ठीक है भाई चलेगा, नहीं नहीं, we have to make it work it.
Hmm. Hmm.
So that's how
Makes
it
sense.
goes.
Make a lot of sense. अभी अभी कितने लोग काम करते हैं?
अभी एक जन है, and except for that I've already hired an agency for my social media and all those things.
Wow.
Once we go better, we will have an employee for that as well, and I'll
Hmm.
withdraw my things
हाँ,
from an
फिर वो
agency.
इन हाउस ही बेटर है बिकॉज़ जो ज़्यादा
Yeah,
बिकेगा वो ज़्यादा
for
बिकेगा,
sure,
हो
for
गया है,
sure,
फॉर
for
श्योर.
sure.
विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट और वी रियली
Thank
होप
you.
कि ये जो आपका 3 साल वाला टारगेट है वो बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाए.
Yeah,
आप
thank you.
1 या 2 साल में अचीव कर लो वो चीज़ को एंड वी आर देयर टू सपोर्ट यू.
Thank you so much. I agree.
So, Abhishek, people in India, mostly lean towards international brands when it comes to luxury. वो आज भी है ना
Yeah,
वो एक westernized
true, true.
influence बोलो या No
True.
mindset हो गया है. So how, this does this thing affects you, or and how do you handle this kind of thing? ये जो mindset है वो
So
कैसे?
So if we look at the data,
Mm-hmm.
perfumes which sell for under 1,000 rupees. So our brand's focus is between 400 to 500 rupees. But
Right.
even which perfumes are being sold for more than that. So most of the perfumes being sold under 1,000 rupees are Indian brands. Almost 90% of the brands. If we look at
Okay.
Bella Vita, if we look at Bella Vita, if we look at EM5, if we look at Blably Blue, or
Mm-hmm.
if we look at Fog or Park Avenue, all these brands are Indian brands. Their fragrances are definitely inspired by Western fragrances, but these
Mm-hmm.
brands are doing very good, and I guess 90% of the market is captured by them.
Hmm.
So the price range our brand is into, that's not a huge challenge for us. But definitely, if in the future I want to also launch a premium segment brand, which would be somewhere in 2,000, 2,500 rupees for 100 ml. So that
Mm-hmm.
might be a definite challenge where you have to change that consumer shift, that mindset
Hmm.
that yes, Indian products are also good and worthy enough as compared to the competitors from the
Correct.
West. So that might be a challenge in the future, but today and the price range we are dealing with, it's not a huge issue. It's not a huge challenge.
True. And guys, the quality of this perfumes is something I vouch for.
Thank you.
Go and order it, okay? I personally tell you to go and order it.
Thank you.
And Abhishek, what is the most overlooked but yet very important part in perfume business that no one talks about?
So there's one process called as maceration.
Okay.
Now, why my brand stands out from the competition is not just about packaging or how premium it will feel in your hands, but it is
Mm-hmm.
also about the blending process, which I said we create a product across three parameters. First is it should smell premium.
Hmm.
So one of the reason is मैसरेशन. आपने बहुत देखा होगा कि जब आप 400 500 या उससे कम के कोई परफ्यूम्स लेते हो, when you apply it initially बहुत ही strong कुछ वो hit होता है.
हाँ
So
हाँ हाँ.
basically, वो basically alcohol blast कहते हैं उसे. And one
Okay.
of the major reason is into its manufacturing जो focus नहीं किया जाता, because people do not care about quality when it is about masses.
Hmm.
And that's one of the reasons. So that's one of the thing जो perfume industry में जल्दी कोई बताता नहीं है, because it is a secret. But maceration plays a huge role into perfume business, कि किसने
Okay.
किस तरीके से कैसे blend किया है, और अगर वो
Hmm.
किसी ने किया, अगर वो किसी ने अच्छे से नहीं किया तो इवन द हाईएस्ट क्वालिटी रॉ मटेरियल्स विल नॉट परफॉर्म. एंड अगर वो अच्छे से कर लिया तो एवरेज क्वालिटी भी अच्छा परफॉर्म करता है. इट
अच्छा
इज
बोल.
दैट इंपॉर्टेंट इनटू परफ्यूमरी.
Wow.
या.
So that's a very important point, I guess. जितने भी aspiring लोग होंगे जिसको ये line में आना है. So
जी जी.
considering your age, you have bundle of informations in this. मतलब वो तुम्हारा passion उससे ही झलक रहा है.
थैंक यू.
So what was that one early decision that shaped how raw luxury would look like, and how did you expected it?
So one of the decision was due to the competition. Like I said, definitely there are some good fragrances brand under this price range. But किसी का fragrance अच्छा है तो packaging is very minimalist और
Hmm.
very boring. अब कहने के लिए तो obviously packaging का जो life होता है when it reaches a customer वो usually 5 मिनट का होता है. Whenever you buy a product, you throw the packaging. It is being very
Correct.
honest. कई लोगों
Yeah.
का ये भी कहना होता है कि इतना सोचते क्यों भाई, वो तो कचरे के डब्बे में ही जाएगा. बट
Hmm.
व्हेन यू वांट टू यू वांट टू गिव एन एक्सपीरियंस व्हिच फील्स प्रीमियम, देन यू
Hmm.
आल्सो नीड टू लुक एट इट. सो वन और वो इस प्राइस रेंज में आपको किसी भी ब्रांड में जल्दी नहीं देखने मिलेगा. आपको अच्छे फ्रेग्रेंसेस मिलेंगे तो पैकेजिंग नहीं मिलेगा, अच्छी क्यूट पैकेजिंग मिलेगी तो फ्रेग्रेंस की क्वालिटी अच्छी
हाँ.
नहीं मिलेगी.
Agreed.
सो दैट्स व्हाट द फर्स्ट आइडिया वाज कि मुझे ये दोनों को नेल करना है इस प्राइस रेंज में. And
Hmm.
for that, I researched for around 4 to 5 months. How can I do it? For everything, sourcing, supplying, designing, right from everything. और आज भी हम improve ही कर रहे हैं. So
Hmm.
it might be possible कि जैसे ये जो boxes आज जो plain black and white है, next 3 months में आप इनमें और colorful element देखें और ज़्यादा luxurious designs देखें. एंड
Wow.
इवन फॉर बॉटल्स ऑफ ज्यादा जैसे, तो वी कीप इम्प्रूविंग. दस नॉट हमारे ब्रांड में ऐसा नहीं है कि बना दिया कस्टमर शुड एक्सेप्ट इट. वी कंप्लीटली कीप चेंजिंग ourselves due to. So one of the key role is कि I wanted to provide this
Hmm. Hmm.
at this price range, and that's why I started. And Also, initially, one of my father's friend, or I can say client, he is
Mm-hmm.
also a perfume business owner since 29 years.
Wow.
एंड बट दे डील इनटू B2B बिजनेस, वो D2C में नहीं है. तो
Okay.
इनिशियली मैं अपने इंस्पिरेशन को लेके उनके पास गया था कि वेदर इफ ही वांट्स टू स्टार्ट इनटू हिज ब्रांड इन यू वी कैन टुगेदर डू समथिंग. बट देन ही
Mm-hmm.
वाज सेड दैट माय B2B बिजनेस इज गुड एंड D2C में बहुत ज़्यादा कंपटीशन है. बट ही डेफिनेटली गाइडेड मी अ लॉट and
Wow.
he motivated me a lot. He gave me a lot of contacts and insights. और जो insights दिया उनसे, और contacts, and when you keep networking and keep building.
Mm-hmm.
So that's one of
True.
the reason I do not have any generational knowledge or any kind of knowledge into perfumery. So it is
Okay.
because of them. It is because of him and the insights and the contacts he shared that I'm able to do such good work.
Wow. That's so
Yeah,
amazing actually.
yeah.
लो
Thank you.
बोलते ना अच्छे से प्योर प्योर तरीके से सिखा देना, मतलब बहुत कम लोग होते हैं ऐसे. सो यू आर
Yeah, yeah.
सो लकी, यू आर सो ब्लेस्ड.
Completely agree. Complete. And the best part about that uncle is that he already has a son of almost of my age. So
ओह.
it's still like a lot of people would like कि मैं अपने बेटे को क्यों ना सिखाऊं, इसको क्यों सिखा दूं. This is a very general Indian mindset. This is a very general
करेक्ट.
Indian mindset. But he still, he still guided me the best possible way. And even today, whenever I get stuck, I just have to give him a call, and he'll guide me as much as I can. Definitely.
वाह. So
Yeah.
we also thank uncle for giving you this
Yeah,
insights
sure.
and
I think
making this kind of.
50% of the credit for this brand goes to him.
वाओ, दैट्स सो
Yeah.
नाइस. एंड सो रैप लग्जरी की जब हम बात करें, परफ्यूम्स की आपकी बात करें ना
जी,
स्पेसिफिकली, सो आई हैव सीन यू हैव फॉर बोथ, पर्सनल यूज भी है और गिफ्टिंग के लिए भी है.
जी,
बट बोथ
जी,
हैव डिफरेंट माइंडसेट्स. व्हेन वी टेक इट फॉर
जी,
पर्सनल थिंग तो वो एक माइंडसेट अपना अलग रहता है, गिफ्टिंग के लिए अलग
जी,
रहता है. सो
जी.
हाउ डू यू बैलेंस दिस व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर ब्रांड, योर परफ्यूम्स एंड योर वेरिएशंस दैट यू हैव? तो कैसे करते हो?
सो जैसे पर्सनल यूज और गिफ्टिंग दोनों कैसे मैनेज करना है. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज कि पर्सनल यूज है. पर्सनल यूज में यूजुअली व्हाट पीपल वांट इज कि इसके अंदर जो चीज है वो कैसा परफॉर्म करता है. दे
हम्म.
डोंट केयर अबाउट कितना अच्छा बॉटल दिखता है. दे डोंट केयर अबाउट मच पैकेजिंग. But when you want to gift something, not just perfume but anything, even if you want to gift some 200 rupees thing to anyone, if you want to gift it to your spouse, you want it to look cute. If you wanted to gift it to a professional, or someone in your professional world, you want it to look a little bit exquisite and formal.
True.
So that's when packaging comes in. It is a very common thing कि आज जो थोड़े जो affordable luxury brands है, जैसे example में अगर वो, तो Fraganot is one of them. So
Okay.
they are also very good brand, and they are focusing much on packaging.
Hmm.
Not
Hmm.
just not just the quality of the fragrance, but also packaging. So gifting के
Okay.
लिए अगर आपको करना है, तो you have to always make sure that the packaging is really good enough for the price they are paying. एंड इंडिया में तो आपको पता ही है कि जितना भी पे कर देंगे, उनको हमेशा चाहिए कि उसका डबल ही मिले.
हाँ,
सो नॉट
वो
एवरी टाइम
फील
इट इज
आना चाहिए कि
पॉसिबल.
नहीं हम.
जी, जी, जी. तो एकदम वो 100% लाना तो थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है.
हुँ,
बट हाँ,
हुँ.
ये पैकेजिंग ऐसी चीज़ है, अगर आपने वो कर ली मैनेज, तो आई थिंक आपका गिफ्टिंग वाला जो पार्ट है वो काफ़ी हद तक सॉल्व हो जाता है. तो
सॉर्ट
दिस
हो
इज़ हाउ
जाता है.
मैनेज बोथ ऑफ देम.
वाओ! एंड हाउ डू यू मैनेज सेलिंग फ्रेग्रेंसेस ऑनलाइन? मतलब व्हेन पीपल कैन नॉट स्मेल इट
या,
फर्स्ट, ये
या,
टच एंड फील वाला प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादा है.
या,
तो हाउ
या.
डू यू डू दैट?
सो डेफिनेटली इट इज़ अ ह्यूज चैलेंज. और ह्यूज चैलेंज इसलिए ज़्यादा है क्योंकि आपने कुछ ब्रांड्स को देखा होगा कि वो अपने परफ्यूम्स को ऐसे प्रमोट करते हैं कि ये डियोर सवाज का रेप्लिका है,
हुँ,
या ये इस फेमस परफ्यूम का ड्यूप है, या ये इसका हमारा इंस्पिरेशन वर्जन है.
हुँ.
अब रॉ लग्जरी एज अ ब्रांड हम ये नहीं करते. यू विल नेवर सी आवर ब्रांड promoting like this कि हमारा ये महंगे परफ्यूम का है. रीजन बीइंग only few of our perfumes are inspired by some western
हुँ,
perfumes,
हुँ.
but also a few perfumes are our own creation. तो
राइट.
सबसे चैलेंजिंग पार्ट वही आ जाता है कि कस्टमर के पास एक बेस रेफरेंस नहीं है. व्हेन यू ऑलरेडी से कि हम इस परफ्यूम
एग्ज़ैक्टली.
का, तो पीपल डू
हाँ,
हैव अ रेफरेंस कि चले ऐसा स्मेल करेगा तो समवेयर इन दिस दे हैव अ
करेक्ट.
रेफरेंस. तो सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज हमारे ब्रांड का ये आता है कि वी डू नॉट प्रमोट लाइक दिस, बिकॉज आई थिंक दैट्स नॉट हाउ वी विल क्रिएट अ ब्रांड आइडेंटिटी. वो हमेशा फिर हम एक डुप्लीकेट ही बन जाएंगे.
हाँ,
और
100%
मुझे
करेक्ट.
मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए. So that's one of the biggest challenge we face. But
Mm-hmm.
उसके अलावा how we do it. So one thing is कि we keep it very clear and very minimalist about what notes are we using into the perfume. एंड
Okay.
सेकेंड एक चीज बहुत अच्छी है कि इंडिया का कस्टमर आज बहुत ब्लाइंड बाय करता है. तो ब्लाइंड बाय इससे भी ऐसा है दैट वी हैव अ स्कोप वेयर पीपल कैन एक्सप्लोर अस. थर्ड थिंग इज एडवर्टाइजिंग. सो थ्रू एडवर्टाइजिंग हम डेफिनेटली ये नहीं बता पाते कि स्मेल कैसा करेगा, but through advertising and through creatives we can show ki what category it falls into. So basically
Correct.
usually there are five types of categories. One is
Mm-hmm.
aquatic, one is woody, one is gourmand, one is oriental, one is floral, and one of them is usually a mix of woody and fresh categories. सो
Hmm.
ऐसे हम कस्टमर को ये बताते हैं कि कौन से कैटेगरी का परफ्यूम है एंड दे गेट एन आइडिया कि व्हाट दे आर एटलीस्ट गेटिंग इनटू. So this is how
Right.
we face this, deal this challenge.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Nice, amazing. So like it's very much clear and point to point. I guess किसी को भी अगर start करना है ना, this can be a reference video. आओ देखो and understand the mindset.
For sure, for sure.
And how do you think that India? So let me put it this way: what does India smell like for you when I ask you कि भाई इंडिया का क्या स्मेल रहेगा तुम्हारे लिए?
So इंडिया का स्मेल जैसे ग्लोबल इफ यू सी ग्लोबली इफ यू सी, जैसे मैंने
Hmm.
अभी आपको कैटेगरीज बताया परफ्यूम के, तो एक्वाटिक ऐसा कैटेगरी है ना जो इट इज लव्ड बाय ऑल. मतलब इट इज अ
Okay.
कॉमन थिंग जो मेजोरिटी लोग, इवन इफ यू माइट नॉट यूज इट एन यू माइट नॉट यूज एन एक्वाटिक परफ्यूम बट यू स्टिल लाइक व्हेन समवन एल्स इज यूजिंग इट. So
Okay.
India smells to me like an aquatic perfume because it is my all-time favorite. I love
Okay.
almost everything about India, right from the beauty of mountains, right from everything, right from culture, diversity. So if me, it smells like a nice aquatic perfume, and it has all. I guess it has something which will be loved by all.
Wow. So I
Yeah,
guess we should try this one. Now I'm ordering that next.
sure, sure, Fana.
So
You
and
should
if
try. You should try Bubble Aura for that.
bubble हो रहा है, ठीक है वो भी कर
Yeah.
लेंगे.
Huh?
So if Ram Perfumes had one fragrance that represents the feeling of building in India, वो तो आपने इंडिया का बताया, तो लेकिन ये वाला it's building in
Uh,
India, or probably which smell do you associate with that? रोजी हो गया,
so
जैस्मिन हो गया, कौन सा स्मेल हो गया ऐसा?
सो बेसिकली जैसे मैंने बताया हमारा जो बेस्ट सेलर है ब्रीज.
Hmm.
I would definitely choose this kind of fragrance. Reason being, it is a mix of woody and aquatic. And woody and aquatic, like I said, aquatic is something which is loved globally, and woody
Okay.
perfumes and woody notes are something which is loved very much in India. To elaborate more, woody fragrances are more of cinnamon. It is more
Hmm.
of things which has wood in it. So it also has वुडी में जैसे और एलिमेंट्स हो जाते हैं, सैंडलवुड हो गया. तो चंदन की
Hmm.
खुशबू तो कितनी प्योर है, हम पूजा में भी यूज करते हैं ये. तो
True.
ब्रीज परफ्यूम इज अ ब्यूटिफुल ब्लेंड ऑफ ऑल दीज वुडी एंड एक्वाटिक फ्रेग्रेंसेस. सो दिस इज हाउ आई थिंक दिस इज वन थिंग व्हिच an answer to your question, breeze.
100%. So
Yeah.
thank you, Abhishek. It was a great conversation with you, and it was a pleasure having you on Voices of India.
And thank you so much for considering me and my brand to be, I feel privileged to be a part of the conversation. And you think me good enough to share insights which might be helpful for everyone. So thank you so much for inviting me.
100%. Thank you.
Welcome.